Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I know a lot of you guys were, like super, bullish because Kathy Woods and ARK bought like 1.5 million shares, or I don't know how many shares, right? I don't remember. I mean, yeah, it's cool, but I didn't care too much. But I told you guys, as far as TA goes, I'm like, Palantir, it's gonna touch 25 bucks. It's gonna touch 25 bucks. It's gonna touch 25 bucks. And man, I'm telling you guys, man, every single time I say something that you guys don't like, everybody goes like bashing around and crazy. I got so many like bad comments saying like, "Oh, why are you against PLTR? I thought you were bullish. Why are you saying bad stuff?" Dude, just because I'm saying that, Palantir is gonna drop a certain amount, I can tell that you guys are new traders because you guys are all like weak as shit, right? Like I know that all of you guys are like, "Oh, there's like a small drop or whatever." Like everybody freaks out. Like it's funny because short term I am bearish on Palantir, but long term I'm 100% bullish. Like my price target on PLTR hopefully is like $80, right? But I mean, we did hit 25 bucks exactly like I said a couple days ago on my TA. I'm like, we're gonna hit 25 bucks. This is exactly what I think it's gonna do. And guess what? We just hit $25, and I think I'm gonna do another TA today to kind of forecast and kind of see where we're headed the next couple of days, maybe weeks, whatever, right? But that's the thing. I can tell a lot of you guys are new traders because you guys are like fucking paper hand bitches, dude. Like you guys, nobody knows anything. You guys are like freaking out over like small drops or little things here and there, and that's the funny part to me, because I tell you guys, I told you guys my channel's not here to give you what you guys want to hear. My channel's here for accuracy, right? That's strictly what it is. Even if I hold a huge position in something, you guys know that my biggest positions are RKT and Big C, and even when we're trending down, I basically like tell you guys, hey, we're going down. This is it. Like I'm here to try to be as accurate as I possibly can, and thankfully, I'm my accuracy is sort of pretty good. Going upwards and downwards. So I tend to kind of amend myself on that, but I'm telling you guys, like you guys can't get upset over me telling you guys, hey, this is gonna go down to a certain like thing. Like I feel like all of you guys think that when I say, oh, this is going down 25 bucks, you guys think that I'm bearish, and I'm like, oh, fuck PLTR, this thing's going down to zero, right? You guys need to understand, you know, that trading is based off of ups and downs, not just a straight shot up of 1,000% gain. And I feel like a lot of new traders that started this year, that's what they tend to expect, and they freak out when something drops like this, right? Which is super funny to see, because it's just, you can tell immediately when someone just started trading this year or last year. It's super easy to tell the difference in people. It's so funny.